What's up, everyone? Welcome to Francesco Graphics. Today's lesson, the first lesson of my YouTube channel. I want to show you guys how to retouch any photo in Photoshop without using RA or Retouching Academy or any other retouching panel. These are just simple. It's just a simple method. Okay, so when you open your photo in Photoshop and then duplicate this layer, turn off the bottom one, the lower layer, you get there, you click Control J, make sure you resize the layer, the upper layer, in order for you to allow you to edit on it, because it's okay. So get the spot healing brush to remove all the spots that you don't want to appear in your photo. In this case, this photo that I'm working on doesn't have much spots that is affecting my model here. So what you should do is after you remove all the spots that you don't to see, okay, and then you duplicate two more of these layers, two more. So Control J, Control J. Actually, the other way of duplicating, you can duplicate by clicking this and duplicate layer. You duplicate and then you duplicate another one. Okay, so we have 3 layers now. Turn off the upper layer, go to the middle one. Okay, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then depending on your photo, choose the radius that you think will make your photo small, depending on the quality of the photo. Mostly the 10, 20, 30, depending on the quality of the photo. Then click OK, and then go to the upper layer. You go to filter, then you go to others. We are going to bring back the details, others and hypers. Hypers allows you to set how do you want your details to. Do you want your details to be more seen or less? Okay, so according to this photo of mine, I'll just set my details to 6, or let me say 6 or 7. Okay, 7, and then as you can see, I'm pretty much sure nothing is being seen here. It's more like and then you come on this same upper layer on blending mode. It was on normal, and then you bring it all the way down to linear lights, and then you click OK. After bringing it to linear lights, now the skin retouching is not for the whole photo. We are only working on the skin. So what we are going to do, we are going to group these 2 layers, the one which has which we added the hypers and the brayer, the smooth braying. We are going to group them into one folder, which is Control G. When you group them, you create an invented layer mask, whereby you have to click Alt while the group folder is highlighted. You have to click Alt plus the layer mask. Boom. And then, as you can see, nothing is showing now. So if I could have just created any regular layer mask, this couldn't have happened. Let me show you. For instance, if I could have just created without holding Alt, the mask could have been the same, and I couldn't get to work on it. So make sure you click Alt and layer mask so that the whole skin retouches appear and disappears. And then what you do, you get the brush tool. The brush tool, make sure you select the normal size of the brush, and make sure, since the layer mask is it's on black, make sure the brush tool has to be white so that it brings back the detail. So now you go on the skin, and make sure you just highlight the skin only. As you can see what is happening on this skin, as you can see what is happening.
Yeah, waiting me down, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come to me, my shawty, wallet. Waiting me down, nothing I can't do for my baby, my shawty, oh, my baby. What you wanna do, girl? Where you wanna go?
As you can see, here we go. I'm pretty much sure you can see the difference. The difference of this photo, the way it was before and after. So we go here, I click Alt, I'll show you before, after, before, after, before, and after. So thank you guys. If you want, you can after you're done, you can save it now. You're good to go. Your skin has been retouched very nicely. Okay, you can do this to the rest of the body if necessary. If it's not necessary, you can do it. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you.
Baby, say you there for me, as I there for you. Baby, say you there for me.